this next plant has been under our nose this whole time, so it's about time we learned about it. This is Juniper Haircap moss, a featured but uncredited player in a lot of my videos. It's an evergreen perennial that grows on every continent, including Antarctica. It even thrives in areas where there was fire, which makes sense because I think juniper moss looks like little fireworks. It helps reduce soil erosion and is commonly used for decorative landscaping and terrariums too. So that's what this little moss is that you've seen all this time. Now, you'll never miss it.
Nature's cool.